Hi, welcome to the Britannia T190. Today we're going to be showing you how you can select the stitches on your machine. So the first thing is you have to understand how they are presented up here, and they're presented to you in folders. So this is your first folder, and you can see the picture here of the straight stitch and the zigzag stitch. So these are all your practical kind of utility stitches all together in this one folder. The second folder here, which I think looks like some eyes and eyebrows. But these are your decorative stitches, and all of these stitches here are within this folder. Your third folder here is your letters, and again those are shown to you because you have the letters there that show you that's the folder. And you can access all of these down here with these buttons. So this first one we'll come to in a second, but as you can see, this button here has a straight stitch and a zigzag next to it, which is the same picture as up here for this folder. So to access any of the stitches in this folder, the first thing you do is press this button, which brings the folder up. And let's say we wanted to pick stitch number 20 here. What you're going to do is with your long button, you're going to tab until you see the stitch 20 appear, and then you press the button underneath it, which then selects it for you. All right, so say you wanted to pick one of these stitches from here. Say we wanted to make the heart, for example, 22. What we would do is we would press the button that corresponds to the folder that we need the stitch from, and then we'll tab through until we see 22, and then we'll select 22. With this folder, you can stack pictures on top of each other. So say you wanted to do hearts and then clubs, and then hearts, diamonds, clubs, and then spades, for example. You can then stack those stitches on top of each other, and it will show you the heart first, then the diamond, then the club, and then the spade. Okay, if you then want to go back to your regular stitch, which for most of us is a normal straight stitch, the really handy function with this machine is this is like a quick return. So this button, if you press it, will jump us straight back into the straight stitch, just like that, which is fab. However, if you then click back on the button for the folder that you were in a second ago, it brings back up the stitches that you were working on, which is really nice that it doesn't just forget them. If you go back into the folder, they're still there for you, which is great. The last folder is your letters, and you're going to press it for uppercase letters, and then you can press again to bring up your lowercase letters. So say we wanted, for example, to spell Franklin's. I'm going to tab to the capital F, then I'm going to press this button to take it back down to lowercase, and then I'm going to tab to the R, for example, back to the A, N, K, L. Now I've got to remember where I is. There we go. N and S. And then we have Franklin's. Yeah. And like I say, you can click into your straight stitch and it will take you back into your normal straight stitch. But if you wanted then to access those letters again, if you go back in, they're still there for you, which is great. All right, so that's how you use the stitches up here. The folders are accessed through these buttons here, and this button is a quick return back to your straight stitch. There we go. Hope that was helpful. Bye.